my name is Geetika and today I am going to show you how to make two types of Ragi Laddus. Now let's begin with the recipe. But before that, I am going to show you how to fry the ragi flour. First, you have to fry 1 cup of ragi flour in low flame till you get a nice aroma. Ragi flour is completely fried, the first type of Ragi Laddu. Now I am going to show you the ingredients which we need to add into the mixer. We need groundnuts, fried ragi flour, 1 cup of jaggery and 5 to 6 cardamoms. Now I am going to add the ragi flour. Now I am going to add the cardamoms and then the jaggery. Now I am going to blend it together. Then I am going to add the groundnuts and blend it. This is how it looks now, and I am going to transfer it into a bowl. Now I am going to add some ghee onto a pan so that I can fry the dry fruits. I am going to add 9 to 10 pieces of almonds. Next I am going to add 9 to 10 pieces of cashew nuts. After frying them, I am going to take it out onto a plate. Then I am going to let it cool for some time. I have let it cool and now I am going to cut them in half. Now I am adding it into the mixture that we made earlier. Next I am adding some more ghee so that we can mold the laddu. Then I am going to mix it. Now I am molding the laddu into its shape. The first type of ragi laddu is ready. The second type of ragi laddu, we need 1 cup of ragi flour, 100 grams of dates, 100 grams of fig, 100 grams of raisins. First, before we start, I am going to fry the cashew nuts and almonds. Then I am going to fry the fig, dates and raisins. First add the ragi flour and cashew nuts and almonds into a blender. Then add the raisins, fig and dates. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and add some ghee so that we can mold it. So as you can see, 2 of the laddus are finished. Both the types of laddus are ready and they will be so delicious. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.